Wagwan and greetings. Welcome back to this channel for our devoted viewers, and welcome to our new viewers, where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is ERRALDO Budan, youth pastor here in Texas, USA, and I'll be reading one of my favorite passages. For more information about me, you can check the description box below. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Expect a daily reading every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Galatians 3, 1-8. I saw it read. Oh no, fool Galatians, oh no. How goes on, no? Me tell you no clear to no face how Jesus did dead upon the cross. So one thing me want you to tell me now. You get the spirit through no follow the law, or cause you believe what you did here. I saw no fool. You start out to follow God's spirit and no one go try if it done with your own trend. All of the sitting them want to go through. You did that suffer for nothing. I can't so you go. What make God give him spirit and what miracle amongst you? You think say him do it cause you follow the law or cause you believe what you hear? Look upon Abraham. Him did believe in a God, and cause him trust in a God, God see him as somebody who do right, and things did right between him and God. So no need to understand, say the one them trust in a God like Abraham. And them, a Abraham picnic. A God word this. Thank God. Until next time, my name is ERRALDO Budan. Big up on yourself. Continue to read the Jamaican New Testament and continue to promote the Jamaican language because the world love it and God give it. Blessings all the time.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.